So, you've probably seen the buzz around Manus AI. In this presentation, we're going to cut through the hype and give you an honest look at what it can actually do and what it can't. The big promise here is a truly autonomous AI that can handle complex jobs all on its own. It sounds incredible, almost like sci fi, but the real question is, does it actually work as advertised? Think of Manus AI less like a chatbot and more like a digital employee. You give it a high level goal, and it works completely on its own in the background to get the job done. Now, its main selling point is that it's truly hands off. You can give it a broad task, like planning a trip, and it's supposed to handle everything from the initial research to the final result. One of its neatest features is called Manus's Computer, which lets you watch the AI work in real time. This transparency is a big deal because you can actually see its process, making it feel more like a collaboration. And under the hood, it's not just one single AI. Manus uses a whole team of specialized sub-agents for things like planning and browsing, which theoretically allows it to handle much more complex tasks. All right, so that's the promise. But here's the thing. The single biggest complaint from users is that the service is constantly overloaded, making it incredibly unreliable for any serious work. Beyond just the server issues, the tool is also full of frustrating bugs. It often gets stuck on simple things like paywalls and captchas and can run out of memory on larger tasks. And even just trying to get started is a huge headache. There's a massive waitlist and a strange one session per day rule for beta users, which makes it almost impossible to actually test it properly. Now, let's talk about the cost. The official pricing page is actually offline, which is a bit of a red flag, and it uses a confusing credit system that makes your final bill really unpredictable. And this isn't just our take. As this user on Reddit points out, one complex task could easily wipe out your entire month's credits, leaving you with a nasty surprise on your bill. So, where does it actually work best? It seems to do okay with simple, one off research tasks on the open web, but it really struggles with creative work or anything requiring deep, specialized knowledge. This is where a specialized tool like eesel AI comes in as a strong alternative. It's built for specific business needs, goes live in minutes, and has clear, predictable pricing you can actually budget for. So, what's the final verdict? Manus AI is a fascinating glimpse into the future of AI agents, but it's just not ready for today. For any business that needs a reliable tool, it's simply too unstable and unpredictable right now. To quickly recap, one of the most common questions we see, the main takeaway from user reviews is that Manus AI has significant reliability issues, making it very difficult to depend on. So while generalist tools like Manus AI are still evolving, you don't have to wait for reliable automation. Specialized platforms are already here, and you can visit the eesel AI website to see how they work today.